Today we'll learn how to install your Cypress infant car seat without the base. Secure your child in the car seat before installing. Place them rear-facing in the vehicle seat. Before installing, adjust the recline angle. The level line on the label of the car seat should be level to the ground. Pull the vehicle belt out. Route the lap portion under the belt guide and buckle. Make sure the belt isn't twisted. Next, wrap the shoulder belt around the seat back and through the European belt guide. Push down on the seat while removing all slack from the lap portion of the belt. Then remove slack from the shoulder portion. The carry handle must be adjusted to a locked position for use in a vehicle.